हाँ जी, गुड इवनिंग ऑल.
Good evening, ma'am.
This is our YouTube channel Defense Guide. We are studying here for our NDA and military examination, and today our topic is tenses. Okay? Today we will start tenses. What do you mean by tense? What do you mean by tense? Any student can tell me?
Ma'am, the verb that is denoting time.
Verb denoting time. Verbs denoting time. By the help of the verb, we can identify this is the present tense, this is the past tense, this is the future tense. Let's see here. Easy. Ram goes to school. Ram went to school. Ram will go to school. Here are the three sentences. And let's see here. Here is V1 plus SORS, here is V2, and here is will plus V1. Okay? And can anyone tell me in the first sentence what is this?
Present. Simple.
What is this? So, V1 plus
SORS.
SORS. It means present tense. Present time. This shows present time. Okay? And here is V2. V2 means
Past time.
past time. Past time. And here is will shall plus V1. What do you mean by it?
Future time.
Future time. Future time. First sentence, second sentence. Here is subject and object. Both are the same. But what is the difference in this? What is the difference in these sentences?
Ma'am, the verbs are different.
Only verb is different in three sentences. First is here V1 plus SORS. Second is V2, and third is V1 plus will shall plus V1. Okay? And that is the difference we can identify by the help of the verb. This is the present time, past time, and future time. Let's see here what is the structure of present tense. Structure of simple present. Affirmative sentences. In affirmative sentences, affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences, first subject, then V1
SORS.
plus S and ES plus object. In affirmative sentences, sun rises in the east. Let's see here. Sun rises in the east. Okay. Here is sun is subject and rise is V1. And sun is singular, that's why we are using here ES. Okay. Sun is singular, that's why we are using here ES. And in the east, this is the objective part of the sentence. This is the objective part of the sentence. And in negative, what is the structure? Subject plus do, does plus not plus V1 plus object. Here, Ram does not go to school. Ram does not go to school. Okay? If we are taking does here, does we are using with the singular person or singular subject. and that's why after that we have no need to take es again here, because do is the first form of the verb and es we have already taken here. That's why we have no need to take it again with the V1. Okay? Each and everything is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's see here interrogative. Interrogative. What is the structure in interrogative sentences? First, do and does. After that, subject, then V1, then object, then question mark. Okay? Does Ram go to school? It means here, does Ram go to school? Where we are using do. Do with I, we, you, they, and any plural subject. Any plural subject. Any plural subject. And does we are using with he, she, it, any name, and with singular subject. Okay? Any singular subject. If we are taking here I, at the place of Ram, if we are taking here I, what we will use here? I go to school. I go to school. If we are taking here you, then we are taking only V1. Where we are using S or ES, or where we are using ES? All of you know?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you know?
Ma'am, S and ES with singular subject and V1 with plural.
Yes. Where we are using V1 and where we are using V1 plus S and ES. V1 we are taking with I, we, you, they, and any plural subject. And any plural subject. Okay? And V1 plus S or ES we are using with he, she, it, any singular name, any singular name and singular noun. Singular subject. Okay? Each and everything is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone have any kind of doubt?
No, ma'am.
In simple present tense? No? Let's see here. Usage of the simple present tense. Usage of simple present tense. Usage of simple usage of simple present tense. for habitual action. For habitual action. Daily routine. Next, scientific fact. Scientific fact. Okay. And next, habitual action means general truth. General truth. Scientific fact is general truth. Let's see here habitual action. Habitual action means if we have any kind of habit. I get up early in the morning. I get up early in the morning. I get up early in the morning. This is my habit every day. I am getting up early in the morning. ठीक है? That's why we are taking here I get up early. This is V1. Okay? If you have to fill the form of the verb, here you are taking only get. And here is fill in the blanks. And this is showing ki it is the habitual action. My grandfather goes. My grandfather goes for a morning walk. For a morning walk. Morning walk every day. Every day. This is also showing the habitual action. This is the habit of the grandfather. Every day he goes for a morning walk. Grandfather is singular, that's why we are taking here V1 plus S and ES. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And 4, this is the daily routine of the grandfather and this is the habitual action showing and scientific fact. 2 and 2, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Okay? Next one is water boils at 100 degree Celsius. This is the scientific fact. This is the scientific fact. And general truth means the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. This is the general truth. Okay? And this is also the general truth. December is the 12th month of the year. December is the 12th month of the year. This is also the general truth. This is all about the simple present tense. This is all about the simple present tense. If anyone have any kind of query, 2 and 2 make 4. This is also the general truth. 2 and 2 make 4. 2 and 2 make 4. This is also the general truth and permanent truth. 2 and 2 make 4, not makes 4. If we are taking and, then we are taking V1 here. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Each and everything is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are moving on the second part, present continuous tense. Why you are standing? I'm not saying anything you. Go.
टेंस वन किसी को ले लीजिए।
मैम ये इतना ज़्यादा हंस रहा था मैम जब आप पढ़ा रहे थे।
Okay.
बहुत ही ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण विषय के ऊपर जस्टिस एन वी रमन्ना, सीजेआई, चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया, इनकी कमेटी ने